Hello friend, this is Tarun from the Master Academy. I'm back with my next video which is related to the Google form. In this video, I'll discuss how to add time and response limit in Google form. So before going to start, you make sure that you have to subscribe my channel and like my video and share it also so that you can get to know my latest video. So let's start with the topic. So make sure that you have one particular Google form. So how to open Google form? First of all, you have to open the Google website. Then after that, search Google Drive. The Google Drive option will appear. Click on this first link. After getting the result, in the right hand corner, go to the Go to Drive option. After processing this, I have already made a form which is called a demo form. You can see. Make sure that you have already created a Google form. I have already made a video related to how to create a Google form. You can go to my channel and watch that video which is related to how to create a Google form. So in this video I'm going to discuss how to add a limit and response time of a particular student. So in top right corner you can see a three dots. Click on this three dots, and at bottom of the corner you can see the add-ons. Add-ons, basically there are different application in between that. You can simply click add-on option. There is an option and there is a add-ons called form limiter. You can see form limiter as given below. If not shown in this shortcut, you can simply search form limiter and click search button. This is form limiter. Click this option, click this add-on and click on install and continue. It will further discuss which particular email you have to select it. I selected my own video so that it can directly link to my video, my ID, because as you know that Google form is directly related to the connected to the your ID and your Google Drive. After that you have to click on allow option. So this form limiter add to your Google Drive and add to your Google form. With the help of this option we can set a limit of a particular date and set a particular time. With the help of this option, this form limiter will show on your screen. Simply cross this, cross, and now you can see there is the option add-ons show in your screen. Earlier it is not, it will not it not shown in your screen. Now it display on your Google Drive. So click this add-ons form limiter. This set limit option will appear. You have to simply click on that. In a bottom right corner you can see the form limiter, set type, limit type. So limit type is basically date and time, number of form responses. So first we discuss date and time. Select the particular date. Let's suppose I am selecting the 29 date, which is tomorrow date, and set the timing. So this particular form, which is computer fundamental, student must attend, the date is 29th and up to 2 o'clock PM, and click on set. That means student are only able to fill this form, to respond this form till 2 p.m. And bottom of the screen you can see click on save and enable option. This time limit will enable after clicking on this option. After 2 p.m. student will not be able to respond this form and not fill this form after 2 p.m. So this is basically how to set a date and time with this form. So next option, the number of responses. So if you are conducting a test or a quiz, so according to me only one limit is required for student. So write it one, only at a one time student can attempt this option. So simply click on save and enable. So this option will help to the organization and institution while they are conducting a paper and quiz. So we can set the limit and we can select the time. So this is all for this topic. Thank you.